Hi Lillian, it was such a nice challenge that you've given me. So I've designed this, and remember I've sent you the plan, and this morning I actually built it just with stuff that I've got in my garage. I so wish you were here. So I thought I'll tell you this. One of the critical things of having designed many of these is to get the dimensions right. So I'll go down and show you all the lengths and everything of this just now. But how does it basically work? There's four different places where you can hook your rubber bands in. There's two holes here where you can decide where the rubber band must be. There's a hole here where you can put this rod through and decide where that can be. And here's the table, the top lid, where you eventually will put the ball. So let me show you its features. Okay, I'll show you the various lengths just so that you know. This plank, it's not critical, but in my case I've got 43 centimeters. One reason is I can now easily hold it down there while I'm shooting with this one. So it's nice to have quite a longish plank. The width of it is, as you can see there, about six centimeters. And this length here is, I think 15, if I remember correctly, about 14 centimeters. And this length here is about 22 centimeters. None of it is really critical. What I can say, what is critical for me is that this point here must not bump into this. But then the rest is neither here nor there. This happens to be a straw, stainless steel straw that I just happen to have, but it can be any nail or anything. I do recommend that it's made of steel and not a dowel, because dowels doesn't seem to last. Now I'm going to shoot, and then on the other hand you can have different kinds of balls. As you can see here, I've got marbles, I've got a ping pong ball, I've got a nut and marbles, so you can vary the weight that you want to use. Let me show you how it shoots. If you sit over here, INT, you'll be able to better document how it shoots. So I can pull this back now, and now it will shoot. And there you can see, and I can put a different weighted one on. What I've also got is these two blocks. You can put that at the back here, and then the way you pull it back will be consistent. So now I know every time I shoot a marble, I've pulled it back at exactly the same distance. And I can see I can hit that chair there every time. What happens if I take a ping pong ball, which is substantially lighter? Do you think it will hit it? Let's see. No, it shoots much higher but much shorter. But if I put a marble back in, yep, I can hit that bench every time. Well, what do you think of my design? And I think, as I can say, I've made this in about an hour's time.